Hi guys, welcome back. So I came back with another video because I am at the salon. So today I am here to do some interviews, but I wanted to also show you guys how and what I restock because I'm also here to restock today. I have events on Saturday and Sunday, and so I need a few items for the girls to work with. And I wanted to bring you guys along so you guys can have an idea of like what you might need or what I use. I know every business will be different and everybody might want to add something different, but this is what I use. Start off with the makeup area. So normally I always have to restock the lip applicators, the eye applicators, and obviously makeup, any lip gloss, any eyeshadow, any blush. And so these brushes are normally used for blush. These are normally used for face painting, so we don't use these all the time, and that's the only reason why they're stained, because they're used for face painting. Like, it doesn't really come off. And then these right here are used for blush. As you can see, they're more clean, and so I have instructions for them to clean them after every party. So basically they don't double dip. They will not use like these on multiple girls. It's one per girl, and then they have to wash them after the party, pretty much. These are disposables. I wish I can find something that is disposable as far as a blush as well, but honestly the blush is not a big deal, but the eyes and the lips are. So don't ever use the same brush for that. You always have to use disposable applicators. Parents are normally like hawks and on top of their kids, watching what you do, and so that's one main thing that you shouldn't double dip on. The venue is quite dirty. If you see any dirt or anything like that, like for instance right there, we still have to deep clean for this weekend. The windows are a little bit dirty, but I wanted to bring you guys along because today is restock day since I'm already here. And then my niece or my sister-in-law, normally they come in and deep clean for me. As far as the table, we do set up with plates, the charger plates, napkins, forks. So we do restock that. And I forgot to mention, but the applicators I normally get from Amazon. Now if you want to, save some money on that, I suggest you order from AliExpress or Alibaba in bulk, and that way you have for the rest of the year and you're not buying and buying and buying. Okay, so over here I normally do bring in new towels. There's probably just like one because my niece had already taken them. These are the aprons that I was talking about in my last video. You see how they just started cleaning themselves on them, and honestly they look so cute with them, but I don't know what they thought. I think they thought they're able to clean their hands on them, and that was not the whole purpose for them. It was more for them to be distinguished from the rest of the group, I guess. But anyway, so here's the room. It's kind of crowded right now. The only reason is because these numbers are the marquee numbers, the light up marquee numbers that I use for next door, and I haven't taken them back, or they haven't picked them up. So yeah, so what I'm gonna restock, I need to restock loofahs, I need to restock eye masks. We do have nail files. Pretty much the loofahs and the eye masks need to be restocked. I don't need to restock forks because I do have extra forks, napkins. I might need to restock plates, cups. I do need to restock cups. So, for example, for the table, I normally buy forks, napkins, cups, plates, and lemonades, which I need to restock. Pretty much all that is used for every party. So you need to make sure you have enough. I normally restock per week. There's times that I restock for 2, 3, or even a month. But I feel like when I have too much inventory here, the girls just go crazy, and I don't know what happens, but they go faster. So if they see there's only this amount of plates, they will not give them all out. if you know what I mean, like they would take care of my stuff more when they see it's low stock and they still have parties to work for. And as far as the goodie bags, I order Amazon a pack of like 100, so I'm good for like a whole month, and then or even more. And then of course, these I ordered the eye mask in the 100 pack. These I just found a larger pack, but I was normally buying a 20 pack, and it was really expensive. And even if you get them like in the store, I did find on Walmart they have like a 2 pack, but it's not the same quality. So the nail files, the scrunchies, everything is pretty much from Amazon, which, like I said, if you want to spend less money and order in bulk, you can do so from Alibaba or AliExpress. Now, the cups I normally get from Hobby Lobby. They have a big box, I believe, of 50 cups. I did find another company that I can link down below. I haven't tested it out, to be honest, but that's what I'm gonna do this week. Honestly, I'm gonna do it today. I need to do it today, but I need to figure out how much they cost and what are their packs, because honestly, if you buy and buy and buy from Hobby Lobby, it does become pricey. So especially us, we use them all the time. As you can see right here, these are not even the Hobby Lobby ones. These are the Dollar Trees, because I kind of ran out of the Hobby Lobby ones and I didn't have time to go out there. So that's my main goal this year, to buy everything in bulk, like I used to, because then I became a little lazier and I would just be buying per week. But honestly, you could even order from Dollar Tree in bulk, like the forks, like the napkins, the plates, I mean pretty much anything in bulk, or even Alibaba, AliExpress, I mean pretty much any of those websites. And honestly, Alibaba and AliExpress do take quite a while, but they're worth it. So this is where we put all of our extras, and like you see, we don't have no more eye applicators. We do have lip applicators though. Here I do need to restock like dish soap, disinfecting spray, food bubbles, or that one right there, it's like food bubbles, toilet paper, paper towels. I am thinking of buying paper towel dispenser for my restroom. I haven't done so just because of the move. We used to have it next, on the other venue, on the other suite number, but we don't anymore, and it always slips my mind to get that, but I need to get that. I also need to get a mirror. What else? So pretty much that's what I restocked: the lemonades, the water, the toilet paper, paper towels, forks, napkins, cups, pink lemonade. Oh, I'm sorry, I already said pink lemonade. The goodie bags, stuff. I do always get snacks for my girls. I need to get the applicators. Not to mention, here we normally store our cucumbers, so I need to restock my cucumbers. I need to restock the eye mask, and gloves. They also need gloves. They use the gloves for the pedicures and the facials, so they need to use that. They need to get restocked. So this little cherry blossom tree, I made it, and if you are interested in seeing how I made it, leave a comment down below and I can add it to my next video. It's super cute and simple to make, and honestly, it's much cheaper if you buy like an actual cherry blossom tree. And it is so cute. It looks so cute right here. So initially it was made for decor next door, for like themed decor next door, but I needed it something similar for here, and my vision is to make a big one to go right in the middle right here. But for now, I have this little one. I already know how to make it, so I am gonna work on probably making a bigger one for that area right there. So I really just wanted to show you what I normally restock and where I get it from. If anything slipped my mind, just ask in the comments and I'll reply. I normally say I'll link it down below, but honestly, I never do. I'm always in a rush, and I end up just uploading the videos and I never link anything down below for you. But if you have questions, where they're from, where did I get them, how much they cost, just leave it down in the comments and I'll reply on that comment. And yeah, so I'm just waiting on on my new hostess, or hopefully soon to be hostess, to interview her. I'm gonna see, I'm probably gonna interview like two more girls because I do need to grow my team, or to, just have more girls, extra help, extra hands. But anyways, and then I don't know if I mentioned, but this right here was made by my sister-in-law, and it's absolutely beautiful. Everybody always not comments, I'm sorry, asks when they come in who did it, how did they do it. And so I might make a video on this later. So if you're interested in how I made the cherry blossom tree, or how my sister-in-law made this, leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to make a video for that too. So that's pretty much it. I think I pretty much covered everything I restocked. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Make sure you're following and like this video, and stay tuned because I am making something amazing for you guys. For those that are planning to open up something like this, I want to be able to help you more and more detailed, I guess, more of a one-on-one. So stay tuned for that because I'm working on something really cool. And yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.